Is cardamom good for erectile dysfunction? Picture this. In order to maintain an erection, the blood vessels in the male genitalia need to be resilient. They need to facilitate a swift flow of blood. When these vessels falter, that's when erectile dysfunction comes into play. Now imagine a spice that can help combat this issue. This is where cardamom enters the scene. This mighty spice, along with ashwagandha, works to naturally counter erectile dysfunction. It does so by balancing the stimulating male hormones, ensuring a functioning vascular system, and controlling blood pressure. The power of cardamom lies in its rich antioxidant content and the compound cineole. These elements uplift sexual response and provide a natural treatment for impotence. The essential oil of cardamom, with its sweet and spicy fragrance, heightens your libido and creates an erotic sensation. In essence, it gets you and your partner in the right mood and helps you last longer. So, how can one consume cardamom for improved sexual performance? This versatile spice can be consumed in numerous ways. You could consume it raw, directly, or indirectly through various dishes and drinks. Ayurvedic theory classifies cardamom as a warming food, capable of producing heat in its raw form. This property makes it useful for treating common colds, coughs, fevers, nausea, and anxiety. Direct ingestion of cardamom is the most common and recommended way. Eating a couple of raw green pods or seeds every day can maintain strength and immunity, increase erectile blood circulation, and help overcome performance anxiety. Indirect consumption of cardamom is also beneficial. The flavor and aroma of cardamom pair well with certain drinks and food. You could incorporate about 250 milligrams of cardamom seed powder into your diet regularly. Mix it with your curd, milk, or favorite beverage. Alternatively, you could opt for cardamom tablets or capsules, also known as Elad Vadi. These can be found in a medical shop or a general store. Take 1 to 2 tablets a day, or as prescribed by a physician. Cooking with cardamom is another great way to consume this spice. It infuses divinely with tea, coffee, and milk. Regular intake of cardamom tea can cleanse your palate, relieve digestive issues, take care of your heart, and boost your immunity. Its consumption can even help you quit smoking, which significantly benefits your sexual health. In conclusion, cardamom is a potent spice that can naturally counter erectile dysfunction. Its consumption, either directly or indirectly, can enhance sexual performance and help overcome performance anxiety. So the next time you're brewing a cup of tea or coffee, remember to sprinkle in a bit of cardamom for that added health benefit.